Today, we'll be showing you how to replace your inlet valve on this Frigidaire dishwasher. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. The main reasons why you'd be replacing your inlet valve would be if the unit will not fill, if the unit continuously fills, or if the unit has a cracked inlet valve causing it to leak. Now, if you need to, make sure to uninstall your dishwasher and let's begin the repair. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the water. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. Now we have gone ahead and uninstalled the dishwasher for video purposes. You do not have to do this. You can just take the kick panel off, but I wanted to be able to see it a little bit better. And now we have clear access to our water valve. Now, what you can do, some things you can check is see if there's a calcium buildup right here. Sometimes you'll have a calcium buildup and it will not allow water to go into the unit. If so, you can clean it out. If you do have good water pressure, now remember, water pressure has to be high. It has to be able to spray about 6 feet coming to this line in order for it to be proper water pressure for this valve to work. So you want to have good water pressure. If your water pressure is good, you can hear the valve energizing and you can test for 120 volts and you're still not getting water in it, chances are you need a new valve. Now, there are 2 T25 screws on the top here that will need to be removed. It's at a bit of an angle, so if you need to, use a little ratchet to take it out. Now when I take this one out, I'm going to hold it here just so it doesn't drop down too hard. I'll let it fall. Next thing up, we'll take off the wiring harness here, just like that. Now on the bottom, you'll see we have one kind of clamp on the bottom I'll have to take off. I'm going to go from the side, just pull this down. Now the water line, give it a twist if it's too tight and start to pull it off. Be careful so you do not cut your hands on the side and set your water valve to the side. When installing your new water valve, first we will kind of go backwards. We're going to start with reinstalling the water line on the bottom. Just angle it so it's in place. Slide the water line over it. Now from the side here, I'm going to go ahead and reattach the clamp. Now I'll reinstall the wiring just to have it on there so it holds it. And insert the water valve in the correct position. There is a small plastic kind of tab that goes up through a hole on the frame right here. That will show you that you're in the right place. Start to put one screw in. Tighten it up. That plastic piece will keep your valve from turning, but still make sure you apply pressure going up if you have tilted the dishwasher back. Next, reinstall your water line, reinstall the unit if you need to, and this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.